Hi, this is the Teacher Time Saver, and I'm going to show you this Cell Biology digital notebook setup. Once you download this free notebook setup, you can see all the links that are available to you. When you purchase the digital unit bundle, you have access then to all the links available. I'm going to show you that here you have an all-in-one presentation that includes everything that the students would need in order, where they would click on it and then they would be asked to make their own copy. The unit bundle includes lessons, either 4 to 5 lessons. There are projects and review activities. There are assessment tools that use Socrative, where the link is included, and also the code to access the digital, online, editable Socrative test. Keys are also included, as well as other reflections and review activities that are great also for subplans. There is printable resources as well, such as a word wall, word search, pacing guides, coloring activities, and more. Once you click on the all-in-one presentation, it does lead you into what every unit bundle would include, which is a unit title page where students will design and create their own. And that allows them to own this notebook and make it their own digital one. Every unit cover is included with their state standards that you can add or learning goals along with a word bank. There is also a score sheet which then has the assignments listed in order, where you can then click on them and it would then quickly send you to that slide. Everything's in order, so it is hyperlinked for students to quickly access once they've downloaded. Each lesson has a warm-up along with a presentation to go with the warm-ups. The Cornell notes are already filled in. This allows students to go back and highlight. They can add images to the side. They can add their summary. And there's also a place to write the learning goal. An activity includes a written portion, so there will be some kind of riddle, analogy in this case, and also a section where students will add their own art. They can either draw this and then take a picture and add it, and there's also a reflection part. This lesson also includes another page where students would add their own text or images, and then finally lessons all include an evaluation sheet just to make sure, like a check mark, that they've completed all their tasks. I'm going to go back to the beginning, allowing students to view the whole screen here. And again, here are the warm-ups or the anticipation guide where the answers will be revealed at the end. Slide presentations allow students to review, to go back and read it out loud. There's also a quiz that can be used whole class or just for a way for students to check on their own. Answers are included. And again, finally, the anticipation guides are checked back here with the answers. And then finally, the summary section for the notes. There are starter sentences to help students write their notes. There are drag and drop sections for some unit bundles activities. Again, there's 4 to 5 lessons in each unit bundle. And for more, go ahead and check out here. There is a unit bundle as well for the year if you teach biology, physical science, earth, or space. Thanks for stopping by.